Hi all, welcome to Stories We Love. I am Priyanka and today in this video I'll be showing you 10 wardrobe must-haves for all the petite girls. From top to bottom to shoes, everything is covered in this video. So without any further ado, let's get started.
High-waisted shorts is a wardrobe essential for every girl. It gives you that curvy hourglass illusion and elongate your legs and gives your style a little lift. Also, choose your shorts which suits your body type so they are comfortable and flattering. Now the next and my most favorite kind of tops are peplum. Peplum tops gives your body more definition. It can yield smaller waist linings and elongated figures. But make sure it is well fitted and it is cinched to your upper waistline. Also, the vertical lines makes you look more taller and slimmer. So now, let's talk about dresses. Best dresses for petites are A-line or skater dress. A-line dresses are fitted from shoulder to waist then widen through. This will create a nice vertical line. Also, the perfect length of dress for petites are just above your knees. It looks so flattering and feminine. It can also be worn with some tights or a cardigan. Hands down, one of the most staple and versatile piece of clothing is a high-waisted jeans. For a petite body type, high-waisted jeans gives your body an illusion of height. It makes you look more slimmer and taller. If you want to create an hourglass look, this is the best way to go about it. High-waisted jeans are comfy, cute and can be styled with so many different style outfits. For a petite girl, it is more flattering to show skin around the neck. Open neckline also makes you look more taller and enhances your shoulder. You can also go for a V-neck or a square neck. But this doesn't mean you can't rock a turtle neckline. Finding necklines which are open is a huge plus for petite. Right now, square necklines are so in trend and you can literally find it in any store. For petite body type, trousers are a must-have. Trousers are considered as a formal garment which are worn in offices. But in the changing fashion industry, trousers are now seen in streetwear. So here are some few ways I styled my trousers. You can literally dress up or dress down with these. Also, the best length for trousers is generally 1 inch above the ankle. It makes petite women look taller and put together. By showing part of your leg, the side slit makes you less likely swamped by clothes and can make you look taller. Also, the vertical lines makes you look more slimmer. The key is to wear a dress which has dimensions. A lot of petite celebrities are also rocking such slit dresses. To name a few, Demi Lovato, Kim Kardashian, and Emma Roberts. So it can be dressed down or dressed up with shoes or heels. Also, as it is single strip, it is enhancing my shoulders. Crop tops are definitely a must-have in every petite girl wardrobe. The whole purpose of a crop top is to make your midriff area look amazing. Crop tops make petite girl look taller as it creates the illusion of having longer legs than the upper part of your body. Whether it be a soft tee or spaghetti strap bralette, crop pieces are perfect for easy summer dressing. An obvious way to gain height is to wear a heel. However, don't go overboard with these. Getting heels that are too high will make you look out of proportion. You can go for a nude pump which I am wearing in this video, or you can go with block heels or flat as well. But remember, if you wear heels, it will add length to your frame. Ankle boots are a wardrobe staple for every woman. Try to find something that hits right at or just above your ankle. Short boots makes it easy to get a height that flatters your leg regardless of what you are wearing. The lace-up style is perfect for giving that tough edge look. Boots literally amp up your outfit and makes you look more confident.
Hope you loved this video. Please make sure to like and comment down below. Also guys, we have some amazing stuff coming your way from equally amazing girls. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel to meet all of us, and we would love to have you as a part of this growing family. See you soon.